good to have you back. My name is still Miss Marian. In our last video, we talked about phonetic sounds A to Z. Today in our video, we're talking about identification of phonetic sound from A to Z. Okay, but before we go into all that, let's have some rhymes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't let it go away. Why do you let it go? 'Cause it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? So come along, let's see if and how to identify our phonetic sounds. Okay, let's see, what do we have here? Okay. What sound does H make? What sound does H make? Beautiful. H makes sound, sound. Awesome. What sound does the S make? The X makes sound, sound. Beautiful. What sound does this make? It makes the B sound. B sound. B sound. Beautiful. What sound does the A make? The A makes A sound. A sound. A sound. Awesome. What sound does the E make? The E makes the E sound. E sound. E sound. Awesome. Okay, let's go. What sound does the R make? The R makes the sound. 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 Awesome. What sound does the U make? It makes the O sound. It makes the O sound. Awesome. What sound does a K make? Can you be louder, please? It makes a k sound. It makes a k sound. K sound. Beautiful. What sound does the Y make, please? Can you say it again? Can you say it again, please? It makes a Y sound. Y sound. Beautiful. Okay. So what sound does the Z make? Can you say it again? Louder, please. It makes a Z sound. Z sound. Z sound. Awesome. I hope today you were able to identify your phonetic sounds. In our next class, we'll talk about associating sounds with objects. Different sounds with objects. I'll see you next time.